everyone, Andrew here, and today in the kitchen with Andrew we're going to be making blondies, a treat that is opposite of brownies, and instead of using regular chocolate we're going to be using white chocolate. So let's go over the ingredients and let's get started.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and line a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper. In a bowl of a standing mixer with a whisk attachment, I have 4 large eggs, and I'll add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Close the mixer and whisk the eggs on a high speed for 15 minutes until they are a thick and pale yellow color. While your eggs are beating, in a bowl over a pot of boiling water, melt 8 ounces each of butter and white chocolate. Once fully melted, remove from heat and set aside to cool. Once the eggs mixture is thick and pale, add the melted butter and chocolate, along with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. On a medium-low speed, mix everything until it's well combined. Pour your mixture into your prepared baking dish. Once you've added the blondie batter to the pan, make sure it's spread out evenly throughout it. Place the pan in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven and let the blondies cool. Once cool, cut into squares and decorate with powdered sugar, a strawberry, and a sprig of mint. And enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed the blondies recipe. To find the recipe and the instructions, you can check out the description box below, or you can go to my Instagram account at @intthekitchen_with_Andrew. Please like and comment, subscribe for more future content. And until the next recipe, bye.